Hi there. Welcome, welcome, welcome to class. I'm Miss Faust. Please make sure you have paper out. Oh, since we are finishing with the punctuation, why don't you get out that paper with your notes on the semicolon, colon, and the comma. That way it's all on one sheet of paper. And make sure you have a pen or pencil handy. Also, going back to last class period, if you could find the colon in your notes, okay, one of those days, 2 rules, remember? A list and explanation/clarification. I want to point out one thing. I know I mentioned that items in a series is another way of looking at a list. And when we have an items in a series, namely with the comma, we need to have more than 2 items, right? In order to have a series. Okay, and be able to use a comma. Well, with the colon, you would only need 2. I invited the following people, colon, David and Micah. No comma. So I want to make sure I point that out to you. That with the colon, your list consists of just 2 and you are fine. Okay, now that we got that taken care of, oh, that's a little refresher from last class period. Make sure you made a note. You only need 2 items for the colon, but more than 2 for the comma. All right, are we ready? Are we ready? Yes, okay. So we have the comma, the semicolon, and the colon. So we're going to end with the other 3 major punctuation marks, totaling the 6 major punctuation marks. So we'll have the period, question mark, exclamation point / mark. Let's start with the period. Rules. This is great. They all just have one rule that you need to worry about. Rules. For the period, it's to show that a sentence has ended. Key word, ended. So those of us who have this little tendency to forget to put little periods in there, please do. Because the reader has a hard time trying to figure out where the sentence ends. Okay, that's the key. Is to let the reader know. Blah, 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 period. Blah, 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 there. Okay, so the reader doesn't have to guess. Wonder where this ends. Example. Isabella wants to move. Period. Right there. Okay, I'll make it even darker. Ooh, kind of blue. Make it even darker for you. Right there. Okay. Now I know. It has ended. And we can start the next one. Okay. Yes, we do use periods for other goodies here, such as for abbreviation, for the decimal. But this is the key rule. Okay. Moving on. Here we go. Here we are. Question mark. Woo. For a moment I got lost back there. Question mark is to end a question. And when we do a question, we are doing exactly what? What is the key word? Ask. We are asking something, aren't we? Like I just did. Okay? So yes, to end a question. Because some people write a question and they put a period. No. Question mark. Example. Did your neighbor find her cat? Question mark. Okay? And we can tell it's a question. But be careful. There are times when you think it's a question, such as, I wonder if we have enough milk. You think that's a question. Is it a question? What do you think? Is that a question? I wonder if we have enough milk. Anybody want to venture a guess? Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. It's not exactly. It is not a question. I wonder if we have enough milk. Period. It's not direct. You're not saying, do we have enough milk? It's not direct. You're thinking to yourself, hey, I wonder if we have enough milk. So be careful. Be very careful. So you thought the question mark is a breeze? Not a problem. Till now. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Last one. Woo! Exclamation point / mark, depending how you want to say it. To show, get that out. To show strong emotion. Wow! Great! Ouch! How exciting! So you can have one word. Wow! A phrase. How exciting is that? Yes. Or a sentence. We won the lottery. The many millions. Oh, that'd be nice. Okay? So yes, show emotion. Make sure you have an exclamation point there. Okay, now remember, when you write an essay, your essay can't do the talking for you. So if you want the reader to know that you're really excited about something in your essay, you need to include that mark. Okay, the exclamation point. Okay, does that make sense? It does? Okay. So the lesson's almost over. All right. Make sure you have periods. Make sure it really is a question. And wow, get that emotion out there. Here's your assignment. It's a crazy one. Look at that. Here's the assignment. Use pie. No, I don't have any pie to offer you. Sorry. But instead, here we have 3. Guess what? I want you to use the word pie 3 different ways. One time is just a sentence with a period. Another time, I want you to use it in a question. And another time, I want you to get excited about pie. So that's what we mean with 3. It's use of period, question mark, exclamation point. And please, underline the word pie for me. Okay, so that's what you're doing. 3 different uses of pie, P-I-E. I am getting hungry for that pie. Is it pumpkin pie? Cherry pie? Let me know which pie. Okay, so enjoy the last 3 punctuation marks. Have a wonderful day. Till next class period. Ta-ta!